Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately. Remove the AirPods Max from the smart case and place them within a foot of the device you want to pair. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on that device and that it's awake and unlocked. Once done, check the status light on the right ear cup so you know the headphones are powered. You don't need to open settings yet. Prepare the device's Bluetooth list so the AirPods Max appear as soon as they enter pairing mode. You press and hold the noise control button on the right ear cup. Keep holding until the small status LED flashes white, usually about 5 seconds. The white flash signals discoverable mode, which is why the headphones can be seen by nearby devices. Once you see white, switch to your device's Bluetooth menu and choose AirPods Max from the list. If your device prompts for confirmation, accept it. This sequence puts the headphones into pairing state and starts the handshake with your device. You finish pairing by tapping play and confirming audio routes to the AirPods Max. The device should show them as connected. Once done, adjust volume or spatial audio settings so sound matches your preference. If the headphones don't appear or won't connect, try a reset. Hold the digital crown and noise control button together for about 15 seconds until the LED shows amber then white, then repeat pairing. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.